Hey, welcome back. At this point, you should be able to make your own immersive VR render and also to have at least one method to do some modeling with Blender. But you probably notice that so far we didn't talk about lighting. We only kept the original light that was present in the Blender scene. So in this lesson, we will learn how to make a very important thing, which is the sun and the sky in Blender. As many times before, you can either do your own modeling or just reopen your last Blender project. Then, in the menu on the right side of the screen, click on the pink tiny globe. In the color item of the menu, select on the tiny circle on the right, and then among the texture, select Sky Texture. Before to create our sun, let's get rid of the original point source of light that we have in the scene. So select the light and press delete. After that, as always, go on the top left corner of the viewport, select add, and then light, and among the light select sun. You should see now a tiny sun appear. It's underground, it doesn't matter in reality, but for our pleasure, let's bring it up a little bit. Now the sun is coming directly from above, so with the rotate gizmo on the left side of the viewport, let's rotate it a little bit. And maybe let's make it come from east, so it's morning. For those who didn't follow the first lesson, we are using the gizmos on the left. You can see that it's highlighted in blue, the rotation. Let's now from the top menu move to the shading tab, and you will see the familiar disposition where you have the viewport on the top and on the bottom the flow diagrams. On the top left corner on the flow canvas, you will notice that the diagram refers to the selected object. Open the menu and change to World. Once you change in the menu, you will be able to operate with the background, with the environment, in the same way you did with the objects before. So that was pretty much it. Go to the render menu and click on render image and you will see the result for yourself. And as you can see, the image is exactly the same as before, but instead of being under a lamp, is on a beautiful sunny morning. Thank you again for the effort and for the attention, and stay tuned for the next lesson, which will be a special treat.